What's up, everybody? Today marks a special day for me. Today marks 3 years of sobriety. 3 years ago today, on this deck, I took my last drink of alcohol, and man, I tell you, it's been a one day at a time journey, but by God's grace, I'm still sober and moving forward. So yeah, 3 years ago, I made an important decision that I wasn't going to let alcohol ruin my life anymore. It was causing problems that just interfering with the way I wanted to live, and I was really a slave to drinking, and it was causing problems with my marriage and just my health and everything else. And shortly after that, that's when I started my keto journey. I waited about 6 months or so being sober before I jumped into keto, because I can only handle one front at a time. I have an addictive personality, and so yeah, I'm addicted to carbs too, and that's why I don't cheat and stuff like that, because if I eat a little bit, I'm going to eat them all, and just like if I drink a little bit, I'm going to drink them all. But I thank God that I'm been delivered from that, and I'm moving forward. I'm not where I want to be on my weight loss journey yet, but I'm getting there. And just to talk about the channel real quick, I'm kind of taking a little break from recipes. I'm just celebrating the holidays like the rest of you are, and I've got some things that I've filmed in the past few weeks. I filmed a couple extra videos, but I'm going to put those out, and I'm going to start 2025 from scratch. I appreciate everybody that's tuned in to see what I'm been up to and supported me in my weight loss journey, and also my sobriety. And it's just been fun to do the channel and to meet so many people that interact with me, and I appreciate that so much. But yeah, I've got some really neat things upcoming. I've still got my liver mush recipe in the kind of in a hold pattern until I get all of my senses back with my taste from my injury earlier. But I've got a lot of cool things I want to try, and maybe this weekend, if I get time, I'm wanting to do a Reuben casserole. Now I know, man, I crave Reubens, and I eat them with the Egg Life wraps every now and again, but I come across a recipe that I really want to try, and everything goes right, I'll post that this Saturday coming up. But so yeah, just celebrating the day, celebrating life, man. I'm just blessed to have another year behind me. And listen, I know there's people out there that are struggling with addiction. Man, I've lost several people near to me, or people that I know, to drug overdose this year, and it's heartbreaking. And but you know what? You don't have to be a slave to that stuff, man. Reach out to somebody. There's programs out there, man, you can get with NA, AA, Celebrate Recovery. Those are the three that I recommend. There's more than that. There's Overeaters, Anonymous. There's all kinds of things, but don't be a slave to whatever it is that's got a hold of you. You can break free. And man, what a blessing it is to look back now and say, man, I can't believe I went down that road. And my weight is the same way, man. I've been a slave to carbs and sugar and potato chips all my whole life until a few years ago, and I'm on the right path. I believe it in my heart, and you can be on the right path, man. Just admit that, hey, look, I've got a problem here, and I need to confront it. And there's some awesome tools out there to help you with that. But yeah, hey, till we chat again, may the Lord bless you, and and I'll catch you next time.